Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing great today. Got this wee Banter knife I want to take a look at. So, everybody knows, right? So Ben Peterson from Knife Banter. You can see I'm a bit of a fan. So he designed this knife with wee knives. Comes in this nice little zipper pouch here, so a little nylon pouch. So let's see. So you get some stickers. It's like a dragon and an owl. Yeah, okay. And nice clean and polishing cloth there with their logo on it. All right, some instructions. This is kind of nice. This pouch, you can fit 2 knives in. So, I mean, I guess technically 3, because you could have one in here, and then, a knife here, or your flashlight here. It's kind of nice. All right, so you can see that I got the blue one. So you can also get it, when they first came out, you could just get so this blue version has a black thumb stud. And then you could also get a black version that had the blue thumb stud. Now they also have natural scales, so the jade color scales with the black blade, and then they have a really nice OD green scales that has the satin blade, but it has like a brass thumb stud on it. That one's really nice. If they'd had that one, I would have gotten that one first. But we'll go over this one today since it's what I have. So you can see that mostly satin hardware. So you got your deep carry pocket clip here that's satin. It says Banter on it. So that's nice. Like I said, black thumb stud there. You got jipping. Got some jipping right there along the blade. Man, that catches your finger too, huh? Let's see, you got the what is up guys right there. That's a nice touch. Let's see. Ooh, man, that is snappy. Yeah. So this guy here, 2.9-inch blade, looks like. Yep, nice spear point. It's running on cage bearings, so that's going to explain the snappiness of the deployment. It's got steel liners, and you can see that it's got jimping along the liner, which is nice. Makes it easy to grab and manipulate as you need to. It's got that recessed deep carry pocket clip. You can see that it just, the bend, goes right inside there, making that flush with the scales. So pretty nice blue G10 for the scale material, which is, it's got a textured pattern on it. It looks like some kind of crosshatch pattern. You can feel it, kind of hear it. It's not crazy grippy, it's not quite like a Delica, but it's not smooth either. It's nice. It's kind of in between. It's got really smooth action on it though. So you can see it's a compact knife, right? So it's not really big. Man, that thing just flies out of there though. Jeez, that is a very, very satisfying deployment. It's one of the things I really like best about a pocket knife is when you flick it out like that, and it gives you that satisfying kind of Wolverine kind of schnick, like when he pops his claws out. Man, so nice. I mean, the bearings are so nice, it almost feels assisted. I mean, it really just wants to fly out of there as soon as you pop it. It takes very little effort. It's real smooth though, really smooth. Yeah, so take a look at some size comparisons. So you got this guy. Here's a mini Griptilian. It's very close there. It's very close, but if you look, the mini grip's actually a little bit longer, so the Banter's a little smaller. let's see, we got it's a mini Osborne there. Got a mini Bug Out. So yeah, this is really like your competition here, right? So this is really the size comparisons. But you can see that even though, lengthwise, these are all fairly comparable, you can see that the Wii is thicker than almost all of them in the scales, maybe close to the same there on the mini grip. But it has kind of that squared off that gives you a little more purchase on the handle. And you can see that the blade is wider than all of these knives. Definitely that spear point just gives you a much kind of bigger blade. So even though this is a shorter knife, it feels like a larger knife in use, if that makes sense. And it does feel good in the hand. So, I would say I have medium to large hands. They're not huge meat mitts, but they're also not tiny little baby hands either. So when you grab onto it, my pinky's still in a fist grip. My pinky's still on it, so I can get 4 fingers on it. And then there's jimping right here at the end. And I will say that there's something about it. It feels kind of sharp. I don't think it's gonna cut you, but you can tell it's probably just that it's good because it's sticky. Like when you put your fingers on it, they're gonna stay. They're not gonna go anywhere. I say fingers, but I mean your thumb. When you put your thumb on that thing, it's not gonna go anywhere. You see the blade it's got a nice kind of very subtle stone wash finish on it. So it gives it kind of some depth of character too. And it's a really nice matchup for the belt. I don't know why I say belt clip. That's for the pocket clip. So for the pocket clip and the blade, the nice matching satin hardware. You got the logo right there. There's a hole right here. So if you you want to put a lanyard through there, or get you some leather or a paracord, a bead or something, you can put that there. And it's kind of nice the way that they've set up the pocket clip, because if you do want to do that, it doesn't interfere with that. So if you got your clip right here, your pocket clip, I'll get it right soon. And then have your paracord and your bead or your knots, your braid out here. Wouldn't really interfere with that. So that's a nice touch. You can tell some thought went into the design of this guy. Man, I really can't get over how quick that flies out. That is a very nice and satisfying deployment. So yeah, so if you guys picked one of these guys up, so which version do you have, or which do you like best? Man, that OD green, the olive green, I don't know which one it is. That green micarta with the brass thumb stud looks really nice. Kind of reminds me of the Bug Out that they have with the grayed out blade and the OD green scales, and they've got that brass thumb stud on there. It's probably not brass, but that gold brass colored one. Really nice. So let me know what you think in the comments. And is this the kind of knife that you usually carry, or think it's a little too small? I'm not sure. I really like it. I think it's a good size for what you need in a pocket knife. But let me know in the comments. And hope you guys still have a great rest of your day. And thanks for hanging out with me.